Hello everybody, I've created today's Qigong session to really open out and release any stress and tension, get your body moving and stretched out and relaxed. We're going to concentrate on detoxifying and purging any stagnant chi energy and really revitalising and re-energising our bodies. To begin, we're going to take our feet slightly wider than hip width, and I just want you to sink the body weight into the floor. Really feel the floor underneath you, spread those feet out, and at the same time lifting up through the body. Lift from the crown, stretching out the body, making space, opening out. We're just going to do a nice body weight transfer from side to side, like a sway. I'm going to add a swing of the arms. So we're coming to the centre and swinging to the side. So keep the arms feeling heavy. And just let them swing naturally. Open out the joints. Release any stress and tension. Keeping the breathing natural, nice and calm. You're going to open out here and sway from side to side, adding a turn of the waist. So really warming up the body. Feeling the joints move naturally and freely. Let's take it down. We're going to push down with our palms. We're going to scoop up with our palms, leading the way nice and high. And then push down, sinking the weight. Let's take the feet slightly wider for a deeper knee bend. Push down, scoop up, like we're scooping positive energy into the body. Keeping the shoulders relaxed as we stretch high and then scooping down. Really feel that push of the palms. One more time. Going to bring our hands across the body and then scoop them all the way up. Take them again, cross them at the top, and we're going to just open out the back, looking towards the sky, and then relax. Let's do that again. Lifting up. Open out. Small back bend, keeping the head under control, and then relaxing down. I'll do it from the side, so we're here. Lifting up and then opening up, looking towards the ceiling and relax. Let's do a few more of those. Oh, feel the opening of the chest. Circling round and relax. I'm going to take one foot in front of the other and scoop high and then push back. Let's scoop it high and push back. Inhale here and exhale back. Inhale and exhale. Let's do that on the opposite side. So pushing high, pushing back. Inhale, exhale, and again. Bringing us central, and we're going to take our feet as wide as you can, and we're sinking here. We're going to bring our hands on our thighs to support us, and we're going to sink forwards, and I'm just going to shoulder forwards, coiling snake, so really feel that stretch. Should feel a stretch through the body, great for strength. And then open out. You can straighten the legs here for a little breather and then sink back down. Other side. Ooh, feel that stretch through the body, opening the chest. And then bring it up. Let's repeat that. Exhale as we coil down. Inhale here and again. Bring our feet to parallel. Inhale here. Exhale and massage. Actually feel your body rub down the backs of the legs, stimulating those meridians. And then we're coming up the inner leg, the inner thigh. Inhale and exhale. As far as you can. Inhale. Exhale on the effort of the bend. Let's gather the chi. And relax. Quite a big movement today. Stretching high. And again, really feel like you're opening out your body, opening the joints. And relax. And relax. Going to take the arms up and go back to our initial sway. Take the hands high to low. And again, you should feel like your body's warming up and stretching out. We're going to add windmills, so turn it round. And again. Just keep it within your comfort zone. Oh, it's a big one for the shoulders, this. Real full shoulder rotation. So you can keep it much smaller if it suits you better. Oh, but it feels good. And then let's bring it in. Just hug your body. Really try and get the hands all the way around, like you're giving yourself a little hug. Oh, and relax. Just shake it out. Nice little pumping of the knees. And let's do that again. Hug. And relax. And then bring it in. Just hug your body. Really try and get the hands all the way around, like you're giving yourself a little hug. Oh, and relax. Just shake it out. Nice little pumping of the knees. Let's do that again. Hug. And relax. And then bring it in. Just hug your body. Really try and get the hands all the way around, like you're giving yourself a little hug. Oh, and relax. Ooh, pressing palms and bringing it down. I hope you feel revitalised, re-energised, detoxed and really released any stress and tension. Check out all the other videos on this channel for more Tai Chi and Qigong. See you again soon. Bye.